This is Garnder Israel, the old fisherman, ready to go on another fishing trip. I've got my old cane pole and my aluminum boat, and I'm fixing to bait my hook up. I bait my hook up with the words of Jesus Christ and the stories about his life that were recorded by eyewitnesses, men that actually walked with him and listened to the things that he said and the miracles that he performed. Miracles such as raising dead people to life again. Now this is the one I'm going to bait my hook with right now. A man that was able to raise dead people to life again. He proved it. He did it, and people that were there recorded it. It was 2,000 years ago. That wasn't really that long. 2,000 years ago, if you had 100 people, if you had 20 people who lived to be 100 years old, that was only 20 people ago. If you put it in that perspective, you can see that it wasn't that far, that long in the past. Now, you fish down there under the water, that's what I'm baiting my hook with today. If that sounds like a pretty good thing, to associate yourself with a man that could raise people from the dead, then why don't you take that bait right there. Go to the New Testament, part of the Bible, and read up on Jesus Christ and find out for yourself what he did. If that sounds good to you, then go check it out. You might just be one of his fish that he told me through his word to fish for. He told his disciples to become fishers of men, and that's what I'm trying to do. This is Garnder Israel, and I hope I get to talk to you again.